So we were doing unary operators. We had seen what is unary minus. We have seen what is not operator. We have seen what is bitwise not. And now we will see what is increment and decrement operators. Okay. So what is increment and decrement operators? Let's say I create a variable int a is equal to 5, okay, and I do a plus plus, and now I print the value of a. Okay. So what will be the output? Any guesses? Hello, ये mute नहीं है ना?
ना ठीक है आवाज आ लेट मी ट्राई
So what will be the output? A plus plus means to increment by 1. Okay,
by one means by one integer or what
by 1.
by one integer
The output
value.
is 6. Okay, and if I do a minus minus, then what will be the output?
4
4. Okay, and if I do plus plus a, then what will be the input? Oh, see the output, same, 6. Okay. And if I do minus minus a, then what will be the input? Same, 4. So
so it
you
doesn't
must
matter
be
if,
wondering what is the difference between these two, a plus plus and plus plus a. Okay, what is the difference between these two? Look, a plus plus, it is a post increment operator. Okay, and plus plus a, it is a pre-increment operator. And now what is the difference between post increment and pre-increment? Increment operators are of two types. Okay, one is prefix increment, which means pre-increment, and one is postfix increment. Okay, in this prefix increment, what happens is, look, if we create a variable a, okay, and we assign a value 1, and we create another variable, let's say b, okay, and it is equal to plus plus a, which means b is storing 2. Let's code and explain. Int b is equal to plus plus a. तो अभी क्या होता है? What value gets inside b? 6. Okay,
yes,
because plus plus means incrementing by 1. And now if I print b, ठीक है, b is equal to percent db, and a is equal to a. So what will be the value of b and a? A is what? 5. Okay, and b is what? 6. Let's print and see what happens.
6 and 5 I think
But what
6
is the output? 6 and 6. Okay, so what happens is, this is what pre-increment operator. Okay, this is prefix increment. And in C programming, the priority of pre-increment operator is greater than assignment operator. What is equal to? Equal to is the assignment operator. Okay, so whenever the compiler comes to this line, it will first execute plus plus a. Okay, it will first execute plus plus a because pre-increment has a higher priority than assignment operator. Okay, so in this line, first a plus plus will work. Okay, so a becomes 6 here itself. Okay, and after this the assignment operator works. So now 6 is getting assigned inside b. Okay, this is the reason b is also 6, a is also 6. Okay, now if I do post increment, in post increment what happens is post increment has a priority less than assignment operator. So now what happens is when compiler comes to this line, first a is assigned to b. Okay, first assignment operator will work. First a is assigned to b. Okay, and then a is incremented. So when a is assigned to b, b gets the value 5 and then a increases. Then a becomes 6. So the output should be 5 and 6. Let's check. Look, b is 5, a is 6. Okay. So this is the basic difference between pre-increment and post-increment. Always remember, post-increment has the lowest priority while pre-increment has the highest priority. Okay, and same goes for decrement also. Now the next operator is address of operator. Address of operator is used to show the address of a memory. Okay, whatever we are making here. Okay, the variables whatever we are making, a b, all these variables have a memory in RAM. Okay, all these are stored inside memory blocks, and these memory blocks have a specific address. Okay, so that address is pointed by address of operator. We will learn this concept later in the chapter of pointers. Okay, we will learn all this in detail in pointers chapter.